Howdy y'all, today we're here in Indianapolis attending PRI with Riley's Rebuilds. Let's get into this interview. But first, let's take a walk around here and check out some of Edelbrock's new products they have out. You may also see a lot of familiar ones that you're already aware of. Matt Lapartis with Midnight Club Media here in the house at PRI. We're here with Riley's Rebuilds here at Edelbrock. Go ahead and tell us a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, definitely. So I started my own business when I was 13 to buy my first car, and it started off with carburetors. So what I did was I broke them down, cleaned them, rebuilt them, and sent them out. And that was slow going when I was younger, and then about 6 months ago we blew up on social media. I hired 4 of my 17-year-old best friends, all girls, and now it's our full-time job.
That's awesome. I've been following you guys for quite a while now, and I really enjoy seeing what you guys are doing. It's really nice to see you guys grow and explode like that.
Yeah, the support has been so amazing. It's out of this world. The fact that we're even here, just because like 6 months ago I was in my garage doing 2 or 3 carburetors a day, and now we're doing 20 a week. So it's been amazing.
Yeah, it's been awesome. It really has. Well, I sure appreciate your time. Thank you so much. We got a few other interviews to do today, and it was really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.